So just keep that in mind. The Weather Service did extend the winter weather advisory for a lot of southeastern counties because there were some heavier bursts of snow. A lot of these areas were only anticipated to maybe see up to an inch of snowfall. Now we kind of got you in the 1 to 2 inch range. It's not a significant jump. A lot of this with the extension is more because of what Hannah said. Timing. It's going to still continue to snow lightly for the morning drive. And so that's where the concern lies. All right. Here's Storm Tracker. Most of the snow that we see relatively light. That's indicated by the white. But where we have some heavier bursts, Rush County, Decatur County, you can see this darker gray or lighter blue. Those are heavier rates of snow. It's not super heavy, but it's consistent and it is sticking. We're seeing that also into Brown County, Bartholomew County, Monroe County, down around Bloomington. Also seeing some of those heavier bands in eastern Greene County here for this morning. So when it's all said and done, again, around 1 to 2 inches. We haven't really changed the numbers much. The exception is we were just kind of bringing the heavier accumulation of around 1 or 2 a little bit farther south. All right. So that's all occurring right now. I'll walk you through the timing here in just a bit. Again, lake effect snow showers, you're going to be getting a pretty good thump right off the Lake Valpo around 4 to 8. But you could see over a foot of snow just west of South Bend where there are winter storm warnings in place right along Lake Michigan. Here, snowing lightly here in Indianapolis, 24 chills into the mid-teens. We've already hit our warmest part of the day. Numbers will hold into the teens for much of the day and wind chills near 0. Storm Track 8 Futurecast. We're going to hang on to the snow, I think, through around 8 or 9 o'clock this morning. It then pulls away by around noon. All that's left over is some lake effect snow bands. Some of those could sneak down toward the metro at times. But again, few and far between for the most part. Most of the snow will stick up north for the rest of the day. That will continue tonight into tomorrow morning. Then we focus on the cold. Wind chill advisory in place tonight. And these are your forecasted wind chills when you wake up Saturday morning. Not fun. Around 15 below here in Indianapolis. Cold Saturday on tap. Numbers into the teens. Wind chills probably close to 0 for the second half of the day. Sunday, not a whole lot better. We'll go partly cloudy skies. Numbers into the 20s. Wind chills into the teens. But here's some good news. Warmer days are ahead. The frigid air retreats back into Canada starting Sunday. You're going to get a nice ridge of milder temperatures scooting in here for Monday, and really that will be the trend for the remainder of the week. I think we just get warmer and warmer each and every day. Now, with more of a southwest flow, that gives us more of an active pattern, so I have several rain opportunities, but most of the lower 48, very good chance and a strong signal. Now, this would take us into the opening of February of above average temperatures. So out of the freezer and something to look forward to here. Hensley Legal Group 8-day forecast. As I mentioned, weekend will be dry. Most of Monday dry. We go above freezing for the first time in over a week, 34. Back to the 40s with rain likely Tuesday. Showers on Wednesday, 42. We knock on the door of 50 on Thursday and low to mid 40s by Friday of next week.